Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share the Will Turner and Elizabeth Swanns from the Pirates of the Caribbean. Both of them now are 3D models in FBX formats, which is really game ready for you with fully rigs and the facial skeletons, facial bones, everything are completely done for you for your 3D animation and also the game developing. For all of the formats that I share included the DAE, OBJ, FBX, etc., which are universal for your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. You can see, just scroll down, go to my video description. I already put the download link at there. You can just download it. All of the formats are suitable and compatible for your Unity, Unreal Engines, Maya, Blender, and iClone 8 3D animation software. I will just show you, like, for example, this is the Blender. Look at the facial skeleton, everything are completed. The Will Turner and also the Elizabeth Swann included the hair, the eyes, the facial expressions, everything already have the skeletons and the rigs. You can manipulate it for your 3D animations. It is really easy, really simple, and it is game ready with full materials as well. Then you can just download it. If you are one of the fans of the Pirates of the Caribbean movie, you also can just download it for the FBX file. You can just open by using the Windows 10 3D viewer. Just opens and it is a 3D model that you can view it anytime. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of the Will Turner and Elizabeth Swann's 3D models from the Pirates of the Caribbean with all of the 3D models formats, the DAE, OBJ, FBX, that compatible for your Unity, Blender, Maya, iClone, and Unreal Engines software. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.